दोस्तों, आप लोग चाहते हो अगर इंग्लिश में बात करना, तो इंग्लिश में बात करने में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी प्रैक्टिस की बहुत ज़रूरी होती है। आप जितना बोलेंगे, जितना बात करेंगे, उतना जल्दी आप इंग्लिश सीखेंगे। देखिए, हम भी 2 इंग्लिश में स्टोरी पढ़ा, सीखा, समझा। चलिए आपको हम सुनाते हैं। Once upon a time in a village there was extreme poverty. People could hardly survive except some rich people who were living without any problems. One day 3 rich men along with their servant were passing by the village. Poverty provoked different reaction in all 3 of them. The first rich man could not stand such poverty, so he took all the gold and jewelry from his wagon and distributed them among the villagers, then left. Then the second rich man passed by. He stopped after seeing such poverty. He decided to help the poor villagers. He gave away all his food and drinks to them, and he made sure that each villager received his just share and would have enough food to last for some time, then left. Then the third rich man speeded. He did not stop. He was traveling in the opposite direction. They saw him talking to some people. They were commenting on how foolish third rich man that and he lacked decency and sympathy. They thought it was good they were there to help the poor villagers. They were very disappointed with the third rich man, then went away. 3 days passed by. They met. The third rich man was traveling in the opposite direction. They saw him carrying farming implements, tools, sack of seeds and grains from his wagon. Then went to the third rich man. Then the third rich man told them that he was teaching farming techniques to the poor villagers. The 2 rich men understood everything. They felt like foolish people and they gave them only gold and foods. They solved their problems for a few days, but the third rich man found a solution to their problems for lifetimes. Next story. Once upon a time in England, a young pregnant lady fainted on the street. She gave birth to a baby boy and died. The baby's name was Oliver Twist. Oliver was sent to an orphanage. He spent the first 9 years of his life in this orphanage. He did all odd jobs there, and one day Oliver went out apprentice to a local undertaker named Mr. Sowerberry. The undertaker did not like Oliver because there another boy named Noah teased all the time Oliver. He kept saying bad things about Oliver's dead mother. I can't take this anymore, so I have to run away, thought Oliver. So one day he ran away at dawn and travelled to yard London. On his way to London, he slept on the street and drank water from the fountains to fill his empty stomach. Oliver finally reached the city. There a boy named Jack met him. Hey, it seems like you have nowhere to stay. Do you want to come with me? Oliver went with him and realized that Oliver realized that Jack worked in a gang of petty thieves. So Oliver became a member of their gang. The head of pickpocket taught Oliver how to steal money. One day Oliver went out on a pickpocketing mission with 2 other boys. Oliver looked around. Others stole money from a gentleman. The boys tried to accept, but the gentleman caught Oliver. देखिए दोस्तों, हमने इतना प्रैक्टिस किया, इसका एक एक वर्ड, एक एक मीनिंग हमें आता है, मुझे समझ में आता है। तो आप भी अगर अंग्रेजी में बात करना सीखना चाहते हो, तो आप जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना अच्छे से आप अंग्रेजी बोल पाएंगे और सीख पाएंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल for next video and like and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Bye bye.